coming at you with another look. So this look, I wanted to do something a little bit more simple. Well, simple to me, but it may not be to everybody else. So in this video, I'm gonna try and break it down a little bit more easier. Like I said, this look should be beginner friendly, only because I didn't use a lot of colors and it's just basic blending. So but don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you can become part of the family. And if you want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with the Plousie base, and we'll go ahead and put that all over our lid so that we can have a clean canvas to work on. Alright, so we're going to start off with the Kerhet Dior Annunaki palette, and it's a dark purple, and I'm going to put that on the outer part of my lid, and then I'm going to put it down, and then I'm going to start blending it out. Alright, so for me, I find it easier to put down a little bit of eyeshadow and then blend it out, and then keep putting more and more and building and blending as you go. Alright, so I'm going to go into this Plousie base, and I'm going to just pat it onto the beginning part of my eyelid up to the middle. That way the two shades that I will be putting down has somewhere to cling to. Okay, so I'm going to go into another Kerhet Dior Kolorful XpressZions palette, and I'm going to go into this red that she has in there. I'm putting that on the middle part of my eyelid, and then I will blend it into the darker purple, and then take the darker purple and blend it into the red. That way everything is like seamless. So you want to keep going back and forth with your colors to get everything to blend well. Okay, so I'm going to go into the same palette, and I'm going to pick up the gold, and I'm going to use a flat brush to put it down, but then I don't like the way that it was coming out, so I end up using my finger to actually get it how I would like it to look. Like I said before, you just want to go back and forth between the shades that you do put down, because as you're blending, you will lose the colors. So you always want to make sure that you do go back and place the color, and take your time. There's no need to rush, just take your time and it will come out good. Alright, so I'm going to go into this Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and it's in the shade Black, and I'm going to just go ahead and do my wing. I'm gonna use Glam Luxuries Studio lashes in Hollywood Made. And yo, these lashes are the bomb. So I will put the link down below so that y'all can go get some. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.